Hello, history scholars. Mrs. Olson here. This video is designed to help you understand the assignment titled Analyzing Columbus Documents. So here on this page, you will see that there is a letter written by Christopher Columbus, and there are also two paintings. So here, we are going to click on this primary document written by Christopher Columbus, and you're going to see that it's rather long. Now, I don't expect you to read all of these pages, maybe 1 to 3 of the first pages. You should be able to understand it as it's not written in super hard language, but one thing that might throw you off a little bit is that in this type, you're going to see that S's, as in to the first, the S's are written as F's. So here's another one, another Isabella. It looks like it says IFA, but that's actually saying Isabella. So just know that as you're reading and trying to understand a little bit of this, that S's are actually written as F's. So read 1 to 3 of this letter by Christopher Columbus so that you get an idea of what he was thinking on this voyage to the Americas. Okay, now the second source is this painting, and you can see that it comes from the Library of Congress, which is a credible source. And let's see, the title of it is on the previous page, but what I would like you to do is look at all of the details here. So you're going to look at the colors, you're going to look to see what people are wearing, you will focus on perhaps facial expressions and body language and colors, and what the artist has chosen to put in the background, okay? So look at all the details of the picture and pick it apart. So that one was titled The Landing of Columbus, and this painting is titled Columbus Taking Possession of a New Country. So here again, it is from the Library of Congress, and you are doing the very same thing. You are picking apart every single detail in this painting. So look at the background, look at the foreground, meaning the front part of the picture, look at colors, look to see what people are holding, what they're doing, okay? And now we are going to click to the next page, which has your assignment on it. Okay, I actually have it pulled up already. And so here are the directions, and let's start with the learning target, which says analyze primary and secondary sources about Christopher Columbus. First thing you are going to do is read the letter by Christopher Columbus, so 1 to 3 pages. You're going to look at all of the details like we just said, and then you are going to come down here to the columns and you are going to list 5 details from each of the sources. This can be written in bullet form in the columns here, okay? So you're picking apart the details, you are recording what you see in the columns, and then you are going to write a culminating statement. Culminating statement. So think of this as a summary statement that compares. So what things do you find that are similar between the sources? And what are some things that contrast? What are some things that are different about the sources? Okay? So your culminating statement is written down here. I want you to at least write 2 to 3 sentences comparing and contrasting them. And what you write here needs to be written with complete sentences. So it needs to have subject and verb agreement, and it also needs to have correct punctuation, capitalization, all of those good writing conventions. Okay, so once again, you're analyzing 3 documents that are about Christopher Columbus, and then you are thinking about what makes them similar and what makes them different, comparing and contrasting. All right, guys, let me know if you have questions. Bye!